Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials so the fix works. First, make sure your connection is stable, Wi-Fi or cellular above about 5 Mbps, because search needs consistent requests. Once done, force close TikTok and clear its cache from settings to remove corrupted query data. This can immediately restore search indexing. Next, sign out and sign back in so the server rebinds your session and permissions. Doing these steps first rules out simple session or cache causes before deeper fixes. Now you perform the deeper remediation that actually repairs local search indexing. Update TikTok to the latest build because many search bugs are fixed in updates. If updated, reinstall the app to rebuild the local database and search index. Make sure device time is accurate and disable any VPN or custom DNS temporarily because they can block TikTok search endpoints. Once reinstalled and network settings verified, attempt simple keyword searches so the app can repopulate its local index and confirm the fix. Finish by validating the fix and knowing how to respond if it fails. Run searches with different keywords and reset any filters or region preferences to ensure results are broad. This tells you if the issue is UI filters rather than search itself. If problems continue, collect app logs and report them to TikTok support so engineers can trace server-side issues. As a final troubleshooting tip, try another account or device if search works elsewhere. The problem is account or device specific. If not, it's likely a broader service issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.